हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर व्लॉग। दिस इज सागलामा। व्हाट्सअप, कैसे हो तो एंड नमस्कार टू ऑल। तो आज सैटरडे है और एक छोटा सा राइड के लिए मैं निकला हूँ। द प्लेस वेयर आई एम गोइंग इज मरलवाड़ी डैम, व्हिच इज अराउंड 40 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम बैंगलोर। एंड राइट नाउ एट माय बैक साइड यू कैन सी इट्स अ स्मॉल पॉन्ड बिहाइंड मी। So right now I am somewhere in the Kanakpura town. So I was kind of getting bored at home and was checking which could be the best place nearby Bangalore where I can go and take ride, because the time right now is 3 o'clock and I don't have much time. 40 kilometer is okay to go and come back. So while I was checking, I found this offbeat location, which is Malarwadi Dam. It's a kind of reservoir which is in the town of Kanakpura of Ramnagara district. Just found this pond and thought to stop here and start my vlog from here. Park my bike there and in some time we'll leave.
When I'm all alone, walking down the street, it's leading me home, it's leading me home, it's coming down, raining on me, raining on me.
And I have to go from here, I guess. मैं नीचे जा सकते हैं क्या? नहीं जा सकते, बंद है। चलो यहाँ से तो कुछ होने वाला नहीं है, थोड़ा आगे चलते हैं। ओके, आगे चल के देखते हैं उस तरफ से। That's really sad if it is closed.
Raining on me, raining on me.
Somehow I came here. तो भाई दूसरों का बात सुनना नहीं चाहिए. You should explore whether it is open, not open. If I would have listened to him, then I would have reached here then. There I was, and then I took a turn and I reached here. I reached Maravladi Dam, and this dam is somehow similar to Dandaganale Dam.
It's leading me home, it's coming down, raining on me.
I was on the other side, so from there also one can come to the dam, but they cannot come to this place. I stopped there and I asked that man, and he said the dam is closed. And I was given a thought that should I go back, but then I realized that I have come this far, so let's check it out whether the dam is actually closed or not. So the moral of the story is, do not listen to anybody. If you have given your time, your effort, maybe luck would favor you. You listen to people, but also use your own instinct. फिलहाल इस जगह में मैं ही हूँ अभी। तो काफ़ी ऑफबीट है, और इनफैक्ट ये जो मेन रोड है वो मेन रोड के काफ़ी नज़दीक है। कुछ वाटर एक्टिविटी भी होना चाहिए यहाँ पर, तो और भी अच्छा होता। और गुड थिंग ये है कि नोबडी इज़ हियर एंड आई कुड सी वन थिंग, देयर इज़ अ बोट देयर, सो दैट्स द बोट। सो वहाँ पर बोटिंग हो रहा है. इट्स अ नाइस प्लेस, ब्यूटीफुल लोकेशन, जस्ट 40 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम बैंगलोर. सो बेसिकली ये एक रिजर्वर है और यहाँ पर पानी को रिजर्व करके रखा गया है. एंड इस तरफ जो है पानी जब ओवर हो जाता है यहाँ पर, तब यहाँ से पानी रिलीज़ हो जाता है.
When I'm all alone, walking down the street, it's leading me home. It's leading me home. It's coming down, raining on me, raining on me. It's coming down, raining on me, raining on me.
It's a very peaceful place. You can make a short ride, just 40 kilometers from Bangalore. You guys definitely will enjoy if you come in the early morning, I guess, or in the evening like now. So it's not a sunset point, it's not a sunrise point also, I guess. Maybe sunrise, I don't know, but it's definitely not a sunset point. Calm and peaceful that you will get it here will make your day. It's a wonderful weekend destination from Bangalore. थोड़ा सा dam है, and basically it's not a dam, if I say so. It's a wonderful lake. So like other location, this can be easily tracked in the Google Map. Anyhow, I'll give the location detail in the description. You can check it out there if you want to come to this place. About food, you'll not get anything here. There is no restaurant, there is no eatery. It's one of the best place to spend a peaceful day in a weekend and get yourself refreshed. There is no parking actually here. So if you're coming in a car, you have to park in the roadside. And in bike, like you have seen my bike, I have brought it quite inside. आप ये देख रहे हो, बहुत ही सुंदर दिख रहा है. Beautiful lake. I could see there are a lot of birds that corner and there also. Basically a good place to hang out with your friends. People are bringing some food to eat here. तो वो वाला रास्ता है, अगर आप वहाँ से आते हो तो वहाँ पर आप जा सकते हो. बट आई थिंक वहाँ जाना इतना मज़ा नहीं आएगा आप लोगों को. वहाँ पर सूरज ऑलमोस्ट डूब रहा है, शाम होने को आ गया है, अंधेरा हो रहा है यहाँ पर. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस, नो डाउट. अभी रात होने को आ गया है, यहाँ से निकलना है और इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 6 o'clock नाउ. आई स्पेंड क्वाइट अ टाइम हियर. डर लगता है यार कहीं मोबाइल गिर ना जाए. और नीचे पानी है और पानी कितना गहरा है पता नहीं. आई हैवंट सीन पीपल गॉन टू द वाटर. तो काफ़ी रात हो गया, अब यहाँ से निकलते हैं. मुझे भी काफ़ी देर हो रहा है. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल इवनिंग आई स्पेंड हियर. और आई जस्ट वांटेड अ क्विक राइड like 40-50 kilometers near Bangalore, and this is what I found in internet, and it's worth to come here. My exploration nearby Bangalore will continue, so stay tuned on my channel. You can keep this place in your bucket list for your short ride from Bangalore. So guys, चलो अभी vlog को यहाँ पर end करते हैं. So if you enjoy watching this vlog, please like, share, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. So thanks for making me part of your day. See you in my next vlog. Until then, live a beautiful life, ride safe, and make memories. Bye bye.